Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Marksans Pharma, why the stock has surged and what you need to do. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Marksans Pharma, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon. And once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll get access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of stock calls that I give with podcast from time to time for detailed market or company talk or one-on-one discussion you want. You can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company, Marksans Pharma was established in 2001 and they provide diversified products and services. A subsidiary of Glenmark Pharma, later spun off from there. Formulation products being exported to USA is the main thing. Key medicines are ibuprofen, metformin, gabapentin, etc. Have operations in more than 30 countries and manufactures epilepsy, anti-diabetic and analgesic drugs as well. If you look at the numbers, then financials, so these are December 21 numbers versus the last year. So 358 crores of sales, up 24%. Profit has jumped 100%, so the profit has virtually doubled year on year. And this is the biggest reason why the stock has surged so much. Decent promoter holding, lower interest cost has also helped, but return on equities before these results were not that great at 7-8%, net profit margin at 10%, but that has improved post the kind of results it has produced in December. If you look at the performance, then stock has underperformed over the last 5 years, have declined from 109 to 12 by March 2020. We saw that in 2020 March, the way the fall happened. Expansion and diversification has been the biggest positive, so they are expanding and diversifying into many other products and verticals, and that shows that the company is trying to grow and trying to match other peers and want to be in the big league. Our numbers have remained strong and have been good even for this quarter, as we have just seen. May have started a huge up move from here on in. That the way the move is taking place, it could be a good long term up move that we are seeing in Marksans. So why the stock has surged so much from those 12-13 rupees? Pharma has come back into focus, and as we saw, so in the last 1 year, the rally that began. So actually, when the market began going up from April, when the bottom was made last year, it was pharma that went up first, and then IT, and then the other sectors joined in. So we saw that pharmaceuticals from April to June surged. Some of them surged 3 4 5x. But Marksans wasn't far off and went up in a jiffy. Rupee dollar equation worsened, so from 70-71 we went to 75 dollars, 75 rupees per dollar. It has come back, but I think the bottom on the rupee dollar equation has been made with respect to dollar, and I think dollar is going to get expensive going forward, and I won't be surprised if we see 74 to 75 levels over the next 6 months. FDA has become more lenient, and that is also a kind of a positive that is taking place. More approvals are coming through with the other sort of companies. What has happened is more of the pharmaceutical companies here in India got approvals rather than denials. That was taking place say 3-4 years back, so that has also changed big time. And with need for more medication, more medicines, and with the kind of turmoil that the globe is going through, it was quite evident that people would be looking companies would in US would be looking to give more approvals to countries like India, which are producing top class generic pharmaceutical products. Numbers have been strong on top and bottom line, and decent portfolio. As a small pharma company, they have very good, you can say, medicines under its ambit and selling it, which have national and global demand in various illnesses. So that is also a positive. What has happened earlier was some of the issues that they had with US FDA. They had a lot of, you can say their facilities checked and banned, and those things in the last 5 6 years, but that has become a thing of the past, and the company is doing well, and doing well appreciably over the last couple of years. So what needs to be done? In my opinion, if you have, then hold it. I think there could be better surge that could happen over the next 2 3 years. Keep track of the numbers. Have a good 4 5 year view. But over the next 2 3 years, if it surges even more, gives you another 100% over the next 3 years, then you can probably book profits rather than holding for 5 to 6 years. It can still double from here. As I see it, it has consolidated over the last few weeks. Pharmaceutical as a whole have consolidated, so that is some kind of a, you can say, opportunity for buying into top class pharma company. This is slightly on the risky side. If you buy into, I would prefer into large cap pharma companies or very good quality mid cap pharma, rather than going into a Marksans. But if you are having it and you're making profit, just hold on to it. This could still go up 60 70 80% from here. So this was my video on Marksans Pharma. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.